As a kid, were you interested in the theater world?
Yes and no. I mean, I would go to rehearsals. I would also, they took me at times to the opera, not their own, but so I had a sort of a toe in it. I mean, there's a story, another story I often tell, but it's true. So when I was 13, I went to camp in California. It was a camp near my aunt. And my father sent me two scripts to read. One was a sort of Marxist, apocalyptic, end of the world fantasy, and the other was Tevye and his 5 daughters. And he said, "What do you think?" And I said, "No one's going to be interested in Tevye and his 5 daughters. You should do the other one," which of course was never produced. And luckily my father did not listen to his 13-year-old son.